The best way of starting an e-commerce business, your own brand, is to start with a small budget. To start small. So if you get a small budget, this is perfect. This is perfect because you are not going to be not spending so much money that you end up wasting if things don't go well as planned. Because hey, this is life, right? Sometimes things do not go well as planned. But how do we mitigate those risks of spending so much money and nothing works? Is to start small. Start with a small inventory. So I would say the best way to start is to start with at least 3 products. Then you just buy a small quantity of those 3 products and then test the market. Start selling them and see who's going to be interested in your products, who's going to be buying it, what do they like about your products. And you start getting to know your customers, right? And then before you go full in. So the more you sell those little quantity that you have, even if you're struggling, you're tweaking things, you're changing it out to see what really works for your products that you have chosen and for that customer that you, or your ideal customer, or that market that you're going to be selling in, and see what's going to really work, how you're going to be positioning it. Then you can tweak it, right? But you're not going to be having that big stress of trying to push this big inventory that you've bought when things are not going well for yourself. So that's why I said the best way to start is to start small with a small inventory and test it out. That we are not going to be feeling the pressure of selling this big mountain of inventory that you've bought, which is not moving when no one is buying, because you just have a small amount. And if it doesn't work, you're not going to be losing so much, right? Then you just scratch that idea, try another bunch of different products, another small quantity again, and test it out and see if that's going to be a better product for you, if that's going to be a winner for you, and then you build from that. So that's why I always say start small. So if you have a small budget, it's perfect. You can start with that small one and then reinvest that money that you make and build from there and keep on doing the same thing. So don't feel pressured when you hear all these people who are buying so much inventory. You don't want to be the one who's going to be stuck with so much inventory in your garage or in your living room or wherever, right, where you can't even sell it. So the best way to start is to start small and then you build from that. So that's what I always recommend for people to do, is to start small, not big. So slow and steady wins the race. And then from there, you learn your customers, you learn the market, and then now you can even start improving your products, start improving your marketing strategies, and start improving your customer relationship and your customer service, and keep on building from that. And before you know it, you're gonna have the big business that you always dream of and that you deserve to have. But it takes from you taking the baby steps first and then build from that. So don't ever feel rushed. Don't ever feel like you need to have thousands and thousands of money to start this e-commerce. You can start with the small money. I started with the small money and they've been building from there. And you can do the same as well. So don't feel pressured. So this is just a little encouragement to say, hey, you don't need to have a big budget for you to start your own e-commerce brand. You can start with a small budget and get the success that you're looking for. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. I hope this tips has been helping you, and all that I share on this channel has been helping you grow your online business, grow your e-commerce business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.